Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I am gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible latest coffee table designs ideas. Let's start. The latest coffee table designs focus on clean lines, natural materials, and functional beauty. Rather than being just a place to sip drinks, coffee tables are now often the centerpiece of a living room. Here are some of the biggest trends. Organic shapes. Instead of sharp rectangles, many modern coffee tables feature soft curves, rounded corners, and free-flowing silhouettes that create a relaxed, welcoming atmosphere. Natural wood finishes. Light oak, walnut, and ash are especially popular. The visible wood grain adds warmth and works well with both modern and cottage-inspired interiors. Stone and Travertine tops. Travertine, marble look surfaces, and textured stone finishes bring an elegant, timeless appearance while pairing beautifully with neutral decor. Sculptural bases. Many contemporary tables have artistic pedestals or geometric bases that make them look like functional pieces of sculpture. Mixed materials. Designers often combine wood with metal, grass, or stone for added visual interest. For example, a wooden top with a matte black steel frame. Round and oval tables. The shapes help improve movement around sitting areas and soften the overall look of a room, making them especially useful in smaller spaces. Hidden storage. Some coffee tables include drawers, lift-up tops, or shelves to keep books, remotes, and blankets organized while maintaining a tidy appearance. Minimalist styling. Simple forms with uncluttered surfaces remain the leading trend, emphasizing quality materials and thoughtful craftsmanship over excessive decoration. Decorating tips. Place a small stack of books, a candle, or a ceramic vase on one side to create balance. Add a tray to organize everyday items like coaster or remotes. Leave some empty surface area so the table remains practical for daily use. Match the table side closely to your sofa set, height for comfort and proportion. These contemporary designs blend aesthetics with functionality, making them suitable for modern, Scandinavian, Japan tea, farmhouse, and Windows-inspired homes alike. Choosing the right coffee table can make your living room feel more comfortable and visually balanced. Here are some practical tips. First, match the size to your sofa. A coffee table should usually be about half to two-thirds the length of your sofa. It should not overwhelm the sitting area or look too small. Pick the right height. The table should be about the same height as your sofa set or just slightly lower for easy access. Leave enough working space. Keep about 18 to 24 inches between the coffee table and the sofa so people can move around comfortably. Choose a shape that fits your room. Round or oval, great for small rooms and homes with children because there are no sharp corners. Rectangle works well with standard sofas and larger sitting areas. Square fits nicely with sectional or L-shaped sofas. Consider storage needs. If you like a tidy living room, choose a design with shelves, drawers, or a lift top to store magazines, remotes, or blankets. Select durable materials. Solid wood for warm, timeless, and long-lasting. Glass creates an open, airy look in small spaces but shows fingerprints more easily. Stone or fox marble, elegant and sturdy, though often heavier. Metal modern and easy to maintain. Coordinate with your decor style. For a vintage cottage look, choose staged wood or painted finishes with soft, natural colors. For a modern look, opt for clean lines and simple shapes. For a farmhouse style, look for rustic wood with black metal accents. Think about daily use. Ask yourself, will you use it for drinks and snacks? Do you need space for books or decor? Will children or pets be using the room frequently? Keep proportions balanced. A bulky table can make a small room feel charmed, while a tiny table may look out of place in a large sitting area. If you are decorating in a vintage cottage style, pair a light wood or whitewashed coffee table with fresh flowers in a simple vase, crochet runners or trellis, with wicker baskets underneath, a few favorite books or candles for a cozy lift and feel. Choosing a coffee table that fits both your space and your lifestyle will give you the best long-term result. Think about your room's focal point. Choose a coffee table that complements your sofa and rugs rather than competing with them. It should tie the sitting area together. Consider nesting table. Nesting coffee tables can be separated out when you need extra surface space and tucked away when you want a more open room. Match the finish to other furniture. You don't need identical wood tones, but choosing finishes that harmonize with your TV stand or side tables creates a cohesive look. Test stability. A study table is less likely to wobble or tip when someone leans on it or places heavier items on top. Use layers for styling. Combine objects of different heights such as a small vase with flowers, a candle or lanterns, a stack of books, a decorative bowl or tray. Keep everyday items organized. Use a tray to group remotes, coasters, or small accessories so the tabletop stays neat. Choose easy to clean surfaces. If you often enjoy coffee, tea, or snacks in the living room, pick a finish that resists stains and wipes clean easily. Make it family friendly. If you have young children or pets, rounded corners and durable materials can make the table safer and more practical. Coordinate with your rug. A coffee table should sit comfortably on the rug, leaving enough visible border around the edge for a balanced appearance. Leave some empty space. Avoid covering the entire tabletop with decor. A little open space makes the room feel calmer and leaves room for daily use. Add seasonal accents. Refresh the look throughout the year with simple changes like fresh flowers in spring, greenery in summer, pumpkins in autumn, or pine cones and candles in winter. A lightly distressed wooden coffee table paired with a crochet runner, wildflowers in a ceramic pitchers, and open baskets underneath can create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Small details like proportion, texture, and practical storage often make a bigger difference than choosing an expensive table. Here are even more expert tips for choosing and styling the latest coffee table design. Follow the rule of three and sticker in grouping of three. For example, use a candle, a small plant, and a book to create a balanced display. Mix textures. Combine smooth surfaces with natural elements such as oven baskets, linen coasters, or ceramic vases for added visual interest. Prioritize quality over trends. A well-made coffee table with a timeless design is more likely to stay attractive for years than one chosen only because it is fashionable. Choose a practical finish. Matte finishes tend to hide fingerprints and just better than high gloss surfaces. Add greenery. A small potted plant or fresh flowers can make the coffee table feel more lively and inviting. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel